Okay, everybody, here we go. Week number 3 on potty training the kitty. Now, you remember we had the litter box on top of the toilet and he was using that great, no problem. So, what I did is I went and bought this metal pan and I tried to cut it up to where it would fit inside of the toilet. I never could get it really to fit the way that I wanted it to. So, I got a 5-gallon bucket and cut it down and heated these edges with a torch and got them to where I want them and then cool them off. This plastic is easy to thermal bend a lot of times. So we got this tub now that will fit down inside of our toilet with the lid closed. There's a little gap there, but that'll be all right. Okay, so like I said before, I want to have plenty of litter in there. The smell is what's gonna draw him to it. Okay, so basically the first few times he's probably going to get down in this litter bowl and sit, but after he uses it a little bit, they'll tend to sit on the edge of the seat and use it. The key here is to keep this thing really clean, and as you can see, it's very sturdy in there. It's not going to move around if he happens to jump in there. Okay, so once you see him use it, keep it really clean. Fresh litter and very clean. After he uses it probably 4 or 5 days, just take this litter box out. He's going to sit right here on the edge and use the potty. Let's see how it works out, guys. Be sure and keep the box here for him to jump up there and feel good about it. Alright guys, no sooner than I got this bucket in the toilet, the cat was in there checking it out. They're going to be very inquisitive and also very cautious. As you can see, he's checking everything out, being very cautious, making sure everything is safe, there's no problems, no issues, no monsters are going to jump up out of there and get him. So he's going to look all the way around this toilet, make sure it's all good, and then take care of his business. Like I said, the first few times they will probably get down inside of that litter box, so you want to make sure that it's really secure. You can see my tabs bending up here a little bit. I may actually put some duct tape on that to make sure that it doesn't move. But once he's scoped everything out and made sure everything is safe, he will take care of his business. So we've got him about 90% there. After he uses this probably 4 or 5 days, we're just going to take that litter box out. And hopefully he'll be sitting on the edge taking care of business. I hope y'all guys like this. Please share, hit that subscribe button below if you haven't already. Go back and check the other videos on how we got this far to get our kitty potty trained, and stay tuned for some more content. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it.